is just bad. Look at the roads. Complete nonsense.
God have mercy upon us.
My sister, this country, everything I've done, they go from bad to baddest. Even the roads sef don dey go from spoil to spoilers. Even the government sef to help us, they no even send us. What a kind of country.
Oga, spoil to spoilers. What kind of English are you speaking? What is even wrong with the educational system of this country?
Jesus.
The educational system of this country is now in a shabby and rumpy ramshackles. When they tell you people go to school, you say no. You use the adage school na scam. Now look at the rubbish you are verbosing and speaking from your medulla oblongata. How can you speak something like that?
God. Now why?
Don't you know that you cannot use a noun, gerund, and adjectival clause when the preposition and the conjunction is intersecting with the intersection?
Okay, no problem.
Just take a look at the rubbish English you're speaking.
Driver, wait. I be mask. Conductor, collect 100 naira.
Hello, sir. Why are you giving him 100 naira? You're supposed to give him 200 now. You said you will pay for me.
Make your grandma pay for you now. You say, man, I no go school, now me go come pay for you.
Jesus.
King Pharaoh.
You don't know why it's going on.
I see. Yeah.
Continue.
I'm a little bit me and I see King Pharaoh. I see King.
The blood of Jesus.
Mary, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Have you eat?
I've eat.
So what did they do you?
Brother Joseph.
Brother Joseph, why so much respect? Hope you have not spoiled my share.
I'm pregnant.
Now what?
Jesus.
You are pregnant? How the fuck are you pregnant? You're not supposed to be a virgin.
I still am a virgin.
You're not a virgin. Kolos?
What?
Are you on Kolos?
It is small Igbo.
Because if you're not on Kolos, how you say a virgin? You're carrying baby. Who impregnates you?
God.
Are you playing?
She didn't want me. Go and never come down to the house. Who impregnates you? Tell me, I won't beat you. I won't beat you. Who impregnates you?
I swear, it's him.
Now, so you find rich.
I don't even know when it happened.
You don't know I have. Anyhow, God don't collect my baby. I don't accept.
Josie.
Who be Josie? Me will not turn side chick.
What happened to Benji? Oh my God.
Why my babe? God, why my babe? General, over. Who be this one?
Joseph.
Yeah.
The child is of God.
Okay. So now I give my baby.
Una, I beg only God though.
Now only God. So no be something some.
No.
I feel better. You be mumu. I have a baby allowance.
Baby allowance?
Yeah, to take care of the child.
It is an honor to be called father of God's son.
It's an honor to be called father of God's son. What you talk now? It makes sense.
You know, manager.
So no baby allowance.
No baby allowance.
Yeah, now. Mary!
What?
You go see now.
When I just said good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are aborting the baby.
You're aborting God's baby?
You get waiting girl's baby, go chop. Aborting your take the drug. Aborting your. You will see your dad is going. Aborting your take. Your dad is going.
Jojo.
Wait, give me a minute. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, send your account number.
Okay. Now you're talking. 01-2265-76 Access Bank. Yeah. Don't. I would like a child. Very playful. We go to jump everywhere. They fight lion. All this.
come on, answer.
What if it is? 10 million. Not twins.
No, just one.
Only one.
What?
My man, the way the chop is okay, let's not kill this man. Oh. My friend, don't tell me that. If not be hunger, I will come this burial. Eh? This man will, I don't even like himself.
Oh boy, burial rice, sweet pass wedding rice. Not today I confirm. Chai.
Man, I know vessel come late oh. The traffic. Okay. Who they share rice? You want food? Yes, sir. So I know vessel come late. Any problem? Hey! Chineke, I talk am. These people with here are bad people. No wonder they just sit down here, they quiet since. Jesus, these people watch up, I bet me nothing happened to me.
Jay.
So this innocent boy, we don't know anything, don't follow them go because of jollof rice.
God have mercy upon us. You are all welcome.
Thank you, Master.
It is our tradition that when one of our members departs, the gods do not fail to provide one. And here is the replacement. As a new member, you will have to sacrifice your 2 legs, just like every other one here, in honor of our departed brother. And we will feast on the 2 legs.
Brother, actually, I'm someone that loves peace. I was going my way, they sent me to go and buy food. I don't know what me and jollof rice have. I said, let me just chop. Not knowing that this is not the normal jollof rice people eat. I respect you. I'm not saying what you guys are doing is bad, but maybe my team. I just got the jollof rice what I chop is right here. That's not digest. If you tell me to vomit it, I vomit it. I go my way, please. I beg. So if you just tell me to vomit, I vomit it. So just say vomit.
I will not say vomit.
I beg, say vomit. I go vomit.
I will not say vomit.
So I beg, say.
I will not say vomit.
Hey! Now small vomit, you know fit talk you. But I beg. Bros, good afternoon. How's the family side?
You are now a member of this family.
Crazy.
Okay, look at here now. Open that hand. Open that hand now. Open it. Open that hand. Open it. Open that hand. Open it.
Not twins?
No, just one.
Only one.
I got the advice from a madman.
Are you single?
No, I have a boyfriend.
I don't even fucking care.
Jesus.
I mean, Alpha. You don't reach there?
Yes, brother. Everywhere just white.
You are that guy.
He work.
I dey see one man with white baby.
Yeah, that man with white baby. All these boxers.
I'm on it.
Twins, oh. Twins, like mommy. I'm proud of you, Amina. Yeah, Amina. You didn't make me ginger, Amina. Amina.
Damn! This Joseph is crazy.
My children, sir, why are you here?
Baba, now my wife be this. For 2 years now, she dey get body pains. I don't carry and go many places, e no work. Now I carry and come here. May you do something, may you stop.
My son,
Sir?
now here with the runner. That is a spiritual attack. And the gods talk say, for that thing to go, they go give a spiritual massage from the gods.
Okay.
My daughter, stand up. Eh?
Sit down. Baba, wetin stand like this?
My son, now the gods so they don't stand.
I swear if this thing no fall now, I go use knife cut am.
Make it go down. Joy! My son,
Sir?
I swear this is your wife now, she's soft too. And you know say you don't tell where the gods. Joy.
Babe!
You don't even say you dey come.
Sorry. I was actually going somewhere, so I decided to go get you some food stuff and bring you your monthly allowance.
My monthly allowance.
Yes. I think I need water. Hey! What is a vibrator doing inside your house?
Tell me the microphone.
It is smoky, boo.
This is a vibrator. Why do you have a vibrator in your house?
Now you go get her now. What do you want to do?
What will I be using a vibrator for when you make me vibrate all the time? So why will I need a vibrator?
True.
You were not a
Sorry, I just remember.
It's even shaking.
Hello? Wale, that thing where your girl forget for inside my house. We don't see him. My babe just see him now. I'll keep her for you.
They want Jesus.
And my friend Wale carry girl come and forget anything.
Why will a friend carry their girl to your place? I don't like the way I shouted at you. You know I love you, so don't make me shout like.
I'm sorry.
Okay, don't worry, I'll see you later. Wait, are you cheating on me?
Cheat on you? After all this? Baby, stop him. I know if you cheat on you, I love you, die.
I'll see you tomorrow.
You gotta trust man.
Babe, I can't wait to have you.
You need to wait too, because by the time I run into you, your body will tell you.
Really, I can't wait to have you.
Good evening, Mal.
Come.
Hey, don't come. My girlfriend, don't come. Get.
I don't understand. What do you mean, your babe? I don't understand. Who am I to you?
Who shall be? Who are you to me? Who are you? Get my baby. Don't come.
I'm not understanding.
You just my baby. Now my help be that. Get up, you
Babe. Babe, what are you doing? I'm getting an ass of again.
God have mercy upon us.
I dey work hard. I dey try burn some calories.
Burn some calories. You are acting weird. Anyway, I just came to see you. How are you doing? How is it, baby? I've missed you. I don't even... What is this?
God have mercy upon us.
Where did this come from? What is he doing here?
No be you get her.
How? How is this mine? Is this even my size? What are you saying?
Oh! Never! That's your tattooing defenses then. I don't see him. Bless you follow my clothes when I park rocket his house.
Thank you. I don't even look for her, safe.
What type of plane is this?
When your babe dey come out, I don't miss you.
Once she come out, I will let you know.
Oh yeah, no, Shasha.
Hey! Come out! Who is she and what is she doing inside?
Mama Favor! Yes! Favor where you defend so many days? They don't see her.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
She be lost though.
What are you saying?
I don't know in my room she hide. Thank God though.
Lord of Jesus.
Young lady, can I talk to you?
Yes, Daddy.
You are a nurse and you have infection, but yet you cannot treat it.
Yes, Daddy. I've tried different medicine. No way. Help me, Daddy.
Jesus.
Help her, Daddy. Help her.
No, I cannot help you. Leave people's husband alone.
I got broads in Atlanta. She's a the in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Getting the licks in the van. Legacies.
I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me?
I love you!
Babe. Babe. Victor. Child. I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me?
It is smoky, boy.
Victor, I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are. Do you love me?
I'm not get scared for your wives after you. I'm not get scared. See, please.
Victor,
I'm not get scared for your wives after you.
I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. I will tell you where you are, Victor. Do you love me?
I'm not get money. I'm not get money. I'm not get money.
Oh, Victor, no, see, Victor. I will stand with you between the heavens.
I don't mean you stand. Sit down for them. Not stand. Sit down.
Victor, you go tell me truth today. Victor, no, come back here. I will stand with you between the heavens and the earth. God, they hear me. I will tell you where you are, Victor. Do you love me?
I love you.
What?
I love you. You don't hear him? I love you. So who is sit down being grateful? Who is who? Yeah, who is for that? She end is do you love me? Now she end, do you love me? And that gets them shout.
God have mercy upon us.
Let I. Thank you. Be your back. Yes, come inside.
Good morning,
Sit
sir.
down. Sit down here.
I'm here for the
How are
interview. I'm very well,
are
thank you. I'm fine,
How are
thank you.
you?
I'm well, thank
Tired.
you. You haven't even conducted the interview.
Okay, let me conduct the interview.
Thank you.
Where's your CV?
Here is my curriculum vitae.
I say, where's your CV?
Same thing, sir. I'm sorry. Here's my CV.
So what's your name again?
You know my name. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We dated for 3 years. I'm sorry. I'm Modola.
Modola what?
Modola Oshifuwa.
Oshifuwa. Oshi.
Or from the epiglottis. I'm sorry.
So you know this is a banking work.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have to ask you bank related questions.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So who stopped the killing of twins in Calabar?
Mary Slessor.
So she's your mate. Oh, don't be mates now.
No, sir.
Mary Slessor. Have they born you that time?
No, sir.
So why are you calling her Mary Slessor without respect?
Aunt Mary Slessor.
Auntie Mary Slessor. Say it.
Aunt E. Mary Slessor.
So who is the Senate President of Chandelier?
Wait, what?
Who be that? Baba Afana, what's happen?
Help. I really need help.
Help. Look at my face.
My voice, my face should tell you that I'm suffering. I'm in a severe pain. I need help.
Amo, Baba no go lie you, help no dey. I no go lie. Me self, my head full. And they tell you the truth. My head full, I beg. Go find help another way, I beg. Oh,
God have mercy.
my head just full. I beg, may everybody just leave me. Oh, I don't need wahala now, I beg.
Don't leave the life when I don't want to give me work.
Help.
Hey. The kind Yahoo we are gonna do, eh?
Help.
If this year pass, hey, bastard, I'm gonna poke it right now, you fuck. Think I'm playing with you, motherfucker. Okay. I'm from South India. Hey!
Ike Ogwukwa.